Hi everyone, I'll be giving you all the recipe of the new 60 auras on aura crop games on Roblox. So first of all guys, let me show you all of them. What are those? And I'll give you the recipe of all of them. So first of all guys, so the first one is guys a vampire. So vampire can be made by bat and light. Second one is glass. It can be made by fire and sand. Then third one is diamond, gem, and glass. The next is shadow, darkness, and starlight. Next is reflect, can be made by shadow and glass. Sapphire can be made by ocean and diamond. Cronus can be made by devil and time. Force can be made by Jerry and energy. Flash can be made by superhero and speed. Super villain can be made by devil and super. Corrupt can be made by uh, super villain and supreme. Shark can be made by prophet. Shark can be made by aquatic and tropical. Prophet can be made by future and vision. And spy can be made by future and vision. Deception and hidden. So metaverse can be made by technology and galaxy. Instant can be made by sphinx and past. Runes can be made by instant and future. Nirvana can be made by Buddha and death. Depressed can be made by sad and metaverse. Alone can be made by life and depressed. Wolf can be made by death and cycle. Sorry. So Werewolf can be made by Alpha can be made by Werewolf and alone. Heal can be made by depressed and time. Supernatural can be made by mystery and death. Terror can be made by alone and supernatural. Genius can be made by supreme and love. Cute can be made by love and shimmers. Hypernova can be made by black hole and black hole. Insane can be made by infinite and metaverse. Kawaii can be made by glitter and cute. Undefined can be made by hypernova and hypernova. Mirage can be made by mystery and reflect. Omega can be made by undefined and supreme. And drip can be made by forced bite and supreme. Big head can be made by omega and noob. Shockwave can be made by lightning and explosive. Eclipse can be made by cycle and space. Solstice can be made by eclipse and nirvana. Zephyr can be made by nirvana and wind. Camo can be made by hidden and nature. Horizon can be made by mirage and ocean. Bonfire can be made by fire and air. So we guys missed two auras, so we are going to make it right now. So first one is hits. So it can be made by corrupt, CORR, corrupt and god. Combine both of them and you will get hits. And once we have hits, now combine hits with galaxy. And it will make an annihilation. So these are the guys 16 new auras. If I miss anyone, just let me know in the comment section. Subscribe for more videos. Till then, bye bye.